Hello, my name is Julien Sobrier. I'm a senior security researcher at Zscaler, and I'm going to show you how any installer, any application, can install a malicious application in Firefox without any warning from the user. For the demonstration, I'm going to create first a new profile. Let's call it demo. You can copy and paste this command from the blog post. So you see here a new profile called demo. It's empty, so I'm going to start it to initialize the profile. Okay, so I have a brand new profile in Firefox. No plugins have been added. So typically when an external application install a new extension in Firefox, there is a warning from Firefox saying that an extension was added. So the way the third-party installation is done is the browser extension that you can see here is basically copied into a folder called extension, and I need to create. And when Firefox starts for the first time after the installation, there is a prompt here that says a new extension was added, and do you actually want to allow this this installation or not? And by default, the action is not to allow it. So if I just say continue, and then go to the list of add-on, I can see that the extension has been disabled. Okay, so now let's see how we can install the same extension without having the user being warned about it and having the extension updated, enabled automatically. So first, before I do that, in each profile, there is a database called extensions.sqlite that contains all the information about the extensions. So here, when I started Firefox, the extension was on the hard drive in the profile in this folder, but was not present inside extension.sqlite. So the idea is to add a record inside extension.sqlite to tell Firefox that the extension was installed and approved by the user. And there are more details about the different fields that are used in the blog post on research.zscaler.com. So let's first remove this profile. I'm going to remove it from Firefox, delete files. Okay, I'm just going to remove it completely. Okay, and create it again. Start it to make sure it's initialized. And you can see in the list of add-ons that I don't have any extension installed except this one that's included by default in all the profile. Now let's run my demonstration tool that you can download from the website research.zscaler.com with a source code. So I'm going to use the profile called demo. Going to run it. So you see here it's running through the list of Firefox profile. It found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and it's copying this extension folder into the Firefox profile that I've chosen and then it adds a record to the extensions.sqlite, and it should be done. So now let's start Firefox with a demo profile. As you can see, there's no warning, so apparently nothing has been changed since I started last time. But if you look at the list of add-ons here, you see that it's actually enabled, and I haven't been prompted for anything. So it's enabled, it's working. I just try to use social engineering by giving an official look. So it's called Firefox Security Update. If I say here that it was created by Mozilla, and I included a link for Mozilla. I mean, that's not required, but just a way to try to make the user keep the extension and not wonder why it's there. So that was pretty easy. You can again download the source code and the tool on research.zscaler.com. And I could have done much more sneaky things, like instead of adding a new one, I could override an existing extension, or by modifying the database extension of SQLite, or I could just append my malicious code to an existing extension. I could also install it all the Firefox profiles if I wanted to. So if you try it on your Firefox, don't worry about this add-on. I actually have disabled all the code, so this extension doesn't do anything. I've put some examples commented out that show what a malicious extension could do, like stealing all the login and password that you have saved, sending out all the URL that you are visiting, disabling security features like Google Safe Browsing. You could delete the list of blacklisted malicious add-ons that Firefox contain. You can do a lot of pretty bad things, and without the user knowing about it. Thank you. If you want more details about this silent installation of extension in Firefox, go to research.zscaler.com and try it for yourself. Bye.